Let's take a look at problem number 5, factoring a trinomial with two variables. If you take a look at this problem, x squared plus 6xy minus 55y squared, does that look anything different than our problems that we did in questions number 1, 2, and 3? That's right. If you look at the middle number, you have 6xy, so we have an extra letter, and the back number, there's a y squared. So now we have a y squared in the back and an x squared in the middle. I'm sorry, an x squared in front and an xy in the middle. So how do we do this problem compared to the other ones? It's done exactly the same way. We make a chart and we look for numbers that are combined together to give us the middle number and multiply together to give us the last number. And looking at our charts, the numbers that we put in our chart, we come up with -5 and 11. When they combine, they make 6. When you multiply, you get your -55. So we have our 6 in the middle, -55 on the end. But what do we do to get that y squared? When we put our numbers into our final answer, we put a y at the end next to the 5 and a y at the end next to 11. So when we multiply these two, we get -55, and y times y is y squared. That gives us -55y squared. And if we would do the FOIL method, like we know how to do, x times x gives me x squared. And if I take x times 11y, we get 11xy. And -5 times x, we get -5xy. So when you combine them, you get 6xy. So the only difference between this problem and the other ones is that we put a y with the letter at the end. Let's take a look at got it number 5 and see what that answer would be.